美國聯邦調查局將密歇根州猶太教堂遇襲案定性為針對猶太社群暴力事件，並且確定施襲疑犯加扎利喺現場開槍自殺身亡。加扎利係出世喺黎巴嫩嘅美國公民，消息指佢多個家人喺以色列近期對黎巴嫩嘅空襲中喪生，對佢造成極大打擊。又指佢同涉嫌為黎巴嫩真主黨成員嘅人有關聯。
美國聯邦調查局人員通宵搜查疑犯住所，國土安全部確認41歲疑犯加扎利係黎巴嫩出生嘅美國公民，居住喺密歇根州底特律郊區。CBS 引述黎巴嫩社群人士指出，疑犯家鄉村莊大約10日之前遭遇空襲，佢多名親友喺事件中喪生。警方表示，疑犯喺星期4揸車衝入以色列聖殿猶太教堂，車輛着火。警方最初話疑犯落車同保安人員駁火被擊斃。
That is anti-Semitism writ large, and I don't think that any of us should permit or allow that to stand. And that's why I'm asking people to turn down the rhetoric.
事發時，教堂內嘅幼兒園同埋學前班內有過百名兒童。
We heard a loud crash and a bang, and we immediately knew that something was wrong. We grabbed each other, we ran into my office and hid under my desk and stayed there until it was all clear.
事件中1名保安被車輛撞倒受傷，另外有大約30名執法人員吸入濃煙不適接受治療。
I think it's clear that if it were not for the private security and the staff at Temple Israel, and then the first responders, first on the scene, local law enforcement, if they had not all done their jobs almost perfectly, we would be talking about an immense tragedy here today with children gone.
美國監測反猶太機構 ADL 表示，美國反猶太事件猖獗，但喺前年已經錄得超過9300宗相關事件。